When sending a questionnaire, in addition to what has just been specified, it is also possible to activate additional features. Let's take a look at them right away. Among the additional features, we find the Show the Results at the End of the Assessment option allows respondents to immediately view their test results on the final post-completion screen. The Smart Coach option allows the activation of a feature that delivers personalized digital self-development suggestions to any respondent based on their test results. Simply click on Enable Smart Coach after the assessment to select the following features. Type a number of skills to include. Types of content to be provided, selectable from songs, movies, TED Talks, podcasts, books, online courses, and biographies of famous individuals. Delivery method, with or without a delay in relation to test completion. In this way, the Smart Coach will be made available as digital cards on the Eggup platform, accessible to every user who has completed the assessment, as well as in a reduced form, up to 17 contents in total, as the final section of the individual report designed for the respondent. By selecting the Email Suggestions to Users checkbox, it will be possible to deliver the Smart Coach via email flow, while maintaining the brand identity of your company. Finally, the Email Notifications option allows the selection of the possibility to receive admin notifications when a user starts the questionnaire, when a user completes the questionnaire, and when a user finishes the path with Smart Coach.